Hi guys. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to declare a variable and how to use those variables in different formats. Okay. So first, let me create a different subflows. Let me show you how to create a new subflows. Okay. So if we click on this drop down of subflows, we could find an option called new subflow. So if we create this, we can be able to rename the subflows as per our users. And if we click on save, we will be creating a new subflow where we can use this subflow in different flows. Let me show you in a detailed manner. So this main will be, if we create a new flow in our Power Automate, this main flow will be automatically created and it will be showing as like this. So in previous videos, I just clearly shown you how to display a message input dialog and all those display message boxes. I just shown you in this main flow. So I just want to split up this all the actions in a different subflow. So what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to copy all the I'm just going to cut all the actions and I'm just going to paste in a different flow, different subflow. So, and I'm just going to rename this subflow. So to rename this here in subflows, we'll be finding the option called 3 dot, and in this we can rename it. Or if we right click on this top of this subflow, we'll be finding the rename option. So in this, we can rename it as message box. And one main thing in creating a subflow is like we should not keep any spaces in between any of these and words. If we click on, if we give one space, okay. So as per our use case and as per our practices, best practices, we no need to give any kind of a space in between the subflows. So that will be an looking good and it will be a clear cut to catch the exact subflows based on our needs. Okay, so now I just differentiate all the message box actions in this subflow. So now I'm just going to show you how to declare a variable and how to play with it. So let me create one more new subflow naming variables. Okay, now I have created a new variable. So in this dropdown also we could see a message box subflow and variable subflow and message box and variable subflow. So if I need to run the message box subflow, either I can run by right clicking from here or from the main also I can call the subflow and I can run from main flow. Let me show you how. So in search action, if you search for and run subflow action, you could find this run subflow action in flow control. So if you drag the subflow to the main action, in this dropdown, you could see how many subflows you have created. Those many subflows you will be getting in this dropdown. So if I click on message box and if I save this, and by running the main flow, it will automatically call the message box subflow and it will navigate to the message box subflow. See, I just ran the only the main flow, but it has navigated to the main flow subflow and it has given me the pop-up. Okay, this is the one action. And so if we want to run only particularly the message box subflow, we can right click and run from here. So in this, it will call only the message box subflow. So while running from main, so if we directly click on this run action at the top, if we click on directly whatever the subflow we are in, it will not consider. If we run the top run action, it will automatically move the subflow to the main action and it will run from the first action in the main flow. So this is the default run where we need to run from the first A to Z. But if we need a particular subflow to be ran, we can right click on the exact action from where we need to run and we can click on run from here. And we can edit the exact action by clicking on this edit option, and we can undo and redo, cut, copy, paste, whether we need to move this action to the up or down. uh, for our for our safer side or testing purpose, we can add one more additional action, but that action is not included in our flow means, then we can disable the action. For our later purpose, we can enable it and use it for our later, and we can delete all those options we can provide in the by right clicking the actions. Okay, now today I just explained about the splitting of the subflows and calling the subflows. In next video, I'm just going to show you how to play with the variables. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's connect in the next video.